are the ones
We are the ones
who will
who will
decide what we leave behind.
decide what we leave behind.
A cleaner environment
A cleaner environment
that will yield
that will yield
a healthier tomorrow
a healthier tomorrow
for our future generations.
रॉयल एनफील्ड का जो वन राइड का कैंपेन है, पहले भी वन राइड्स हुई हैं, बट इस बार थोड़ा डिफरेंट है बिकॉज दिस टाइम वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन हाउ टू मेक पीपल रिस्पॉन्सिबल, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग ट्रैवलिंग.
Today's concept is all about waste management. So as a rider, is like for us it's quite important when we go and ride, we have to ensure the environment is kept clean all the time.
We'll be doing a cleaning up right next to the bridge there.
Ride responsibly, ride safely.